Today is day 17 and we are going to explore doubles. Activity 1. Let's take a look at these pictures. Can you tell the difference between them? Let's take a closer look at the picture on the left first. How many milkshakes do you see in the picture on the left? Now, how many red sweets do you see in the picture on the left? How many green sweets do you see in the picture on the left? How many purple sweets do you see in the picture on the left? How many yellow sweets do you see in the picture on the left? How many rectangular cookies do you see in the picture on the left? And now, how many round cookies do you see in the picture on the left? Now let's do the same with the picture on the right. How many milkshakes do you see in the picture on the right? How many red sweets do you see in the picture on the right? How many green sweets do you see in the picture on the right? How many purple sweets do you see in the picture on the right? How many yellow sweets do you see in the picture on the right? How many rectangular cookies do you see in the picture on the right? How many round cookies do you see in the picture on the right? Now let's take a closer look. On the left-hand side, you have one of each, and on the right-hand side, we have two of each. Let's look at the milkshakes. How many milkshakes do you have in the picture on the left? Now let's look at the picture on the right. Try and use the word double in your answer. In the picture on the left, we have one milkshake, and in the picture on the right, we have double that amount. We have two milkshakes. One doubled is two. Now let's look at the purple sweet. How many purple sweets do you see in the picture on the left? In the picture on the left, we have one purple sweet. Now remember to use the word double in your answer again. How many purple sweets are on the right-hand side? You could say on the left-hand side you have one purple sweet, and on the right-hand side you have double that amount. You have two purple sweets. One doubled is two. Now let's do the same for the remaining items. How many round cookies are on the left-hand side? And how many round cookies are on the right-hand side? Remember to use the word double in your answer. You're doing great. On the left-hand side, we have one of each, and on the right-hand side, we have double that amount. We have two of each. Activity 2. Let's double. Let's have a look at the domino blocks on the left-hand side. You have two blocks, and in each block there are 3 purple circles. In the first block, you have 3 purple circles, and in the second block, you also have 3 purple circles. This is the same as saying 3 doubled. Now let's write 3 in the first block and then write 3 in the second block. Now add up your answers. What is 3 plus 3? Now let's do the same with these domino blocks. On the left-hand side, you have 2 blocks. Each block has 4 purple circles. Fill in these numbers in the blocks on the right-hand side. Let's check our answers. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, so 3 doubled is 6, and 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, and 4 doubled is 8. Activity 3. Let's double again. We already know that when you double a number, you add it to itself. Let's do this with double 2. Double 2 we would say is the same as saying 2 plus 2. So in the first block, write down 2. And in the second block, write down another 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to. Then fill in your answer, which we will check later on. Now let's have a look at the right-hand side. Let's use a multiplication fact to help us double to get our answer. 2 times 2 is equal to. Remember to fill in your answer at the very end. Now let's do the same with this one. You have double 3. Can you work this one out on your own? What would you fill in the first block? And what would you fill in the second block? Remember to fill them in and work out your answer in the last block. Now let's use a multiplication fact to help us work out our answer. 2 times, and what is the number that we are doubling? Can you fill that in? Remember to fill in your answer. We will check the answer shortly. Now let's check our answers. For the first one, you have double 2. Double 2 we had said was the same as saying 2 plus 2. And your answer is 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now let's have a look at our multiplication fact that helps us get our answer. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Now let's do the same with double 3. Double 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Now let's use the multiplication fact to help us get our answer. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. You can check your answer by holding up 3 fingers on your left hand and 3 fingers on your right hand, and if you add them up, you will get a total of 6 fingers. That is the same as saying 3 plus 3, and we know that our answer is 6.